Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. In this video, we have one very interesting and challenging Vietnamese Mathematical Olympiad 1995 equation, which we have to solve for the real values of x. So let's get started. We have fourth root involved in the equation. So radicand 4x plus 4 should be non-negative. We'll find condition on x. We will write 4x plus 4 should be greater than or equal to 0. It cannot be negative. After dividing by 4 both sides, we will get x plus 1 should be greater than or equal to 0. After subtracting 1, we can write x should be greater than or equal to negative 1. Now we will factor 8. We will factor 8 2 times 4. So let me write our equation. X cube minus 3x square minus 8x plus 40 minus 2 times 4. 2 can be written as 4th root 16. So let me write 4 times 4th root of 16. 4th root of 16 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Then we have 4th root of 4x plus 4. I will take 4 common. So in the bracket we can write 4 times x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we can multiply these two 4th roots. So we will be writing x cube minus 3x square minus 8x plus 40 minus 4 times 4th root of 16 times 4 times x plus 1. Let me write here 16 times 4 times x plus 1 equal to 0. Now 16 is 4 square. So we will write x cube minus 3x square minus 8x plus 40 minus 4 times 4th root of 16 is 4 times 4. Then we have another 4. Then we have x plus 1 equal to 0. Now here we have x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. If we will check our equation, it is not satisfying for equality. So here we have 4 positive numbers, which is recalling geometric mean of these 4 numbers. Let me write here. First of all, I will write our first equation x cube minus 3x square minus 8x plus 40 equal to 4 times 4th root of 4 times 4 times 4 times x plus 1. This is our equation number 1. Now we will use AM greater than or equal to GM inequality, or I can write GM should be less than or equal to AM inequality. We have 4 positive numbers 4, 4, 4 and x plus 1. Let's figure out arithmetic mean of these 4 numbers. So I will write 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus x plus 1 divided by total count, which is 4. This should be greater than or equal to, let's figure out GM also. It is 4th root of product of all 4 times 4 times 4 times x plus 1. Now from equation number 1, only 4 is missing. So we will multiply both sides by 4. Let me write here times 4 and let us write here times 4. Now we can cancel denominator 4 from right hand side of this inequality. Now using equation 1, here we can write x cube minus 3x square minus 8x plus 40. So let us write x cube minus 3x square minus 8x plus 40. This should be less than or equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus x plus 1. So 12 plus 1, 13 plus x or x plus 13. Now we have to subtract x plus 13 from both the sides. So I will write minus x minus 13, minus x minus 13. Now right side of this inequality becomes 0. Now we have to write LHS of this inequality. X cube minus 3x square minus 8x minus x minus 9x 40 minus 13 plus 27 equal to 0. Now we will factorize this cubic expression. X square is common, minus 9 is common. So once I will take x square common out, I will be getting x minus 3 in the bracket. And if I will take minus 9 common from next two terms, I can write here x minus 3 once again less than or equal to 0. Now x minus 3 is overall common. So we will write x minus 3 is common. In other bracket, we will write x square minus 9. This should be less than or equal to 0. Now we will use difference of two squares formula. 9 is 3 square. We will get x minus 3 times x plus 3 times x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. So we will write here x plus 3 times x minus 3 whole square less than or equal to 0. Now we know that for x belongs to real numbers, x minus 3 whole square must be non-negative, greater than or equal to 0. So from here I can say x plus 3, this should be less than or equal to 0. If this inequality holds true, we will subtract 3 from both sides and write x should be less than or equal to minus 3, which is contradictory condition as per our domain. X should be greater than or equal to minus 1. So these two inequalities contradict each other. We will reject this condition. This is rejected. So the only possibility is x minus 3 whole square should be less than or equal to 0. So I will write here x minus 3 whole square. This should be less than or equal to 0. Now this is always greater than or equal to 0. So equality will hold true. So I will write x minus 3 whole square. This must be equal to 0. So from here we will write x minus 3 equal to 0. By adding 3 to both sides, we will get x equal to 3. Now we are going to check or verify our solution. It is x equal to 3. Equation is here. Let me write check. So we will begin with left hand side. Put x equal to 3. I can write 3 cube. This is x cube minus 3 times 3 square, which is again 3 cube, minus 8 times 3 is 24, plus 40, minus 8 times 4th root of 4 times x plus 1. So I can write here 4 square or 16. Now 3 cube and 3 cube will get over. 40 minus 24 is 16, minus 8 times 4th root of 16 is 2, which will give us 16 minus 16. It is equal to 0, and 0 is our right hand side. LHS equal to RHS. Hence our solution x equal to 3 is true and verified. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.